Understanding the Duet Report Manager. Welcome to Reports V1 User Settings. Duet's Report Manager contains standard reports created for each Duet application. Today, we explain the user settings that control the level of functionality and access allowed based on user login. Design, publishing and output are covered in further videos in this series. Throughout this series of videos, I will be referring to icons used within the Duet applications by name. It's worth studying these icons and their functionality. I will be using the larger tablet or PC view of Duet when working as the admin user performing this setup. The tablet and smartphone views will be used to show how our configuration work affects both Office and mobile users. Since Duet resides on whatever device you choose, all of this work can be done on either device. To begin the setup, we need to sign in as the administrator user and gain access to the options we need. Let's open Organisation from the dashboard form. Duet allows you user-defined dimensions that can be used for holding data that makes Duet more relevant to you. This dimension data can appear in the reports, so we need to be aware of the names your admin user has chosen for these dimensions. Let's look at dimension 1. In our demo company, Total System Services, this dimension has been named as Project. Dimension 2 has been named Phase. The names for each of these dimensions are up to you, and in this video series, you will see these names appearing in the reports. We will return to the admin dashboard now and open the user form to understand how to configure report access. Let's look at two users. Bill Hodges, who enters his own data but also manages other users. In his role as manager, he needs to see their data in reports. Maggie Tapia only uses the timesheet module on a mobile device and should only be able to see her own data. I'll open Bill's user form. The first setting that affects reports is the list of Duet applications Bill has access to. He has timesheet, expenses, purchase order requisition and the service desk. This means Bill's reports menu will include report designs for all of those applications. There is also a setting we need to look at within each application that Bill has access to. For example, let's look at the timesheet application. In the Report Manager field, we can see Bill is set as being able to manage reports. This means he can report on his own data and that of other users. As a report manager, Bill can also publish report designs he creates for the use of other users. Let's look at the same settings for our timesheet only user, Maggie. Back on our list of users, I will open Maggie's user form. Under Applications, Maggie only has timesheet active. Maggie's report menu will therefore only contain timesheet related reports. Opening the timesheet branch, we can see Maggie cannot manage reports. Those reports will only list her own data. Any reports she designs will only be saved for her use. There will be no option to publish these to other users. I will collapse the timesheet application branch. The Report Manager option exists within each application. Perhaps our manager, Bill, can report on timesheet data for all users, but can only report his own expense data. Let's examine the effect of these settings for each of these users. I will sign out as the admin user and back in as Bill, our manager user. On the tablet or PC view, Bill's dashboard now shows the applications he has activated. On the Reports menu, you will see that reports relating to each of those applications are available. Let's sign in as Bill on the smartphone. It will be just the same view and functionality. but it's been resized to fit. Bill's reports menu shows the same list of reports available on the smartphone. Let's look at how our setup has affected Maggie's view of the PC and smartphone. Maggie only has access to the timesheet application from her dashboard. The same view is available on the smartphone. Within reports, only timesheet related reports are available. Let's use the timesheet detail report and choose Run Report. Okay, remember the dimensions we looked at as the admin user? Let's see where they appear in our reports. On the report, we can see the two dimensions that were named Project and Phase. Note also that as we are signed in as Maggie, we're only looking at timesheet data for Maggie. Let's go over to the smartphone and we'll run the same report. I hope this has helped you understand the user settings and their impact on the report manager. Thank you for your time.